here's exactly how to freeze video in Clipchamp, step by step. So let's use this video as an example. So first, you want to find out which part of the video you want to freeze. In this example, say I want to freeze the video at this very moment. Now, here's what you do. You go into full screen preview, you right click, you save this image. So I'll just save it to my desktop. Then let's go back. Next, we will split the video. Click on this scissors which says split. Right now, we can see that the video is split into two parts. Next, we add the image that we just saved. So I click on import media, then I add the image, and now I drag this in between the video like this. So now you can see that the video will play, and then at this part, it will freeze here. If I want it to freeze for very long, I can drag this to as long as I want. So say I drag this to around 9 seconds. That means the video will freeze at this part for 9 seconds because as I play the video, it's just showing the image at this point. Now, if you only want to freeze it for a short while, like 2 seconds, we can drag this down like that. Or you can also click on this, which says edit duration. I can write, say 2 seconds. And now this image appears for just 2 seconds. You can click on this trash can to delete this gap. So now, as I play the video, you can see that the video will freeze at that exact part for 2 seconds, and then it continues. So that's how to freeze video in Clipchamp.